Welcome to the world of upcycled decor, where forgotten wood and metal are reborn into stunning pieces that blend organic warmth with industrial chic. In an era where sustainability is paramount, we invite you to explore how reclaiming materials not only breathes new life into them, but also creates unique, character-rich furniture and accessories for your home. There's a certain charm in reclaimed wood and metal that new materials often lack. Each piece carries its own history, often marked by the signs of age and wear. Weathered wood, rich in character, tells stories of its past, while aged metal showcases a patina that reflects time and experience. This nuanced beauty transforms furniture and decor into conversation starters, allowing homeowners to share the unique backstories of their cherished pieces. Upcycling goes beyond mere recycling. It involves creatively repurposing old items into something new and useful. This process significantly reduces waste and lessens the environmental impact of producing new materials. By choosing upcycled pieces, you're playing a part in a larger narrative of sustainability, supporting practices that favor a circular economy over a linear one. Each item you bring into your home not only enhances your space, but also contributes positively to the planet. Every upcycled item is one of a kind. This uniqueness allows homeowners to express their personal style in ways that mass-produced furniture cannot. An industrial coffee table fashioned from reclaimed barnwood and vintage metal pipes will have a distinct character that adds charm and functionality to your living space. The mix of textures and finishes invites a warm and inviting atmosphere, drawing people together as they gather around its surface. The fusion of organic and industrial design offers a captivating contrast that exemplifies modern aesthetics. Organic elements, like reclaimed wood, evoke warmth and comfort, while industrial components, such as metal or concrete, introduce a sleek, contemporary edge. This balance between rustic and polished creates environments that feel both grounded and sophisticated, perfect for a variety of decor styles, from minimalist to bohemian. Upcycled furniture often boasts remarkable durability. Reclaimed wood, which has previously withstood decades of weather and wear, is typically stronger and denser than newly sourced alternatives. Similarly, repurposed metal pieces are often crafted from materials that were intended for a different purpose, but have been expertly transformed into functional items, ensuring robustness and longevity. Investing in these pieces means prioritizing quality and sustainability over ephemeral trends. Incorporating upcycled materials into your home decor empowers you to express your individuality. You can mix and match these pieces with existing furniture, layering textures and styles while promoting an authentic aesthetic. This creative process not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also liberates you from conventional decor rules, encouraging experimentation and personal expression. As the trend of upcycling gains momentum, DIY workshops have flourished, offering opportunities to learn hands-on skills essential for transforming old materials into new treasures. These workshops inspire creativity and provide invaluable knowledge on techniques such as sanding, staining, or welding. Participating in such activities allows you to forge your upcycled masterpieces, creating a deeper connection to the items in your space. Upcycled decor elegantly merges functionality with artistry. From handcrafted lighting fixtures made from vintage pipes to bespoke shelving units crafted from reclaimed barn doors, each piece serves its purpose, while also being a work of art. This duality enriches your space, making it not just functional but also visually captivating, seamlessly blending utility with creative flair. Choosing upcycled pieces often means supporting local artisans and small businesses dedicated to sustainable practices. Many craftspeople take pride in their work, handcrafting each item with care and attention to detail. Inviting these creations into your home helps to nurture local economies while fostering a sense of community, creating connections beyond the walls of your living space. One of the most enchanting aspects of upcycled materials is their inherent imperfection. Knots in the wood, variations in grain, and unique patinas on metal bring authenticity to each piece. These imperfections should be celebrated, as they narrate a journey of transformation and resilience, providing a tangible connection to nature and history that mass-produced items often lack. When integrating upcycled decor into your home, consider harmony and balance. Pair warm woods with sleek metals or introduce pops of color through textiles and accessories that complement your furniture. This thoughtful curation creates a cohesive aesthetic, ensuring that your space feels intentional and inviting. It allows you to showcase your design philosophy while embracing the stories held within each piece. Looking ahead, the future of upcycled design appears bright. As more individuals recognize the value of sustainability, the demand for unique, environmentally friendly pieces is likely to grow. Trends may evolve, but the core message of creativity, restoration, and aesthetic appeal remains timeless. Each upcycled piece is not just a product, it's a movement towards a more conscious and connected lifestyle. Engaging with upcycled design can be a deeply personal journey. As you explore reclaimed materials, you may find inspiration in unexpected places, abandoned warehouses, flea markets, or even among family heirlooms. Each project offers the chance to connect with your heritage and local community, transforming not just spaces, but also relationships and stories. This intimacy fosters a love for craftsmanship that endures beyond the design itself. Incorporating upcycled decor into your home not only serves individual preferences, but also promotes a holistic lifestyle. By consciously choosing materials and being mindful of the environment, you create a sanctuary that reflects your values. This approach to home decor emphasizes well-being and sustainability, offering a calming and nourishing environment for you and your loved ones, where each element contributes to a sense of harmony. In conclusion, as we embrace the revival of forgotten wood and metal, we invite you to join us in this celebration of craftsmanship and sustainability. By choosing upcycled organic industrial decor, you create a living space that reflects your values, where design meets responsibility. Together, let's foster a culture that respects our environment, celebrates creativity, and thrives on the beauty of what's been reborn. Welcome to a world where your home tells a rich, textured story, one that is uniquely yours. Reviving forgotten wood and metal, this upcycled organic industrial fusion creates stunning home decor and furniture. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like, and share to support our journey towards sustainable design. Your engagement helps us spread the message of creativity and eco-conscious living.